my channel. I wanted to jump on here and just say hi to everyone. And if you're new, thank you for checking it out. I'd love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family. I post on Fridays once a week. I post lifestyle videos, DIYs, cleaning videos, faith-based videos, and modest clothing. So I'd love to have you all a part of my YouTube family over here on YouTube. If you guys want to know what I'm posting, I usually post something on Instagram before, so I'll have that link down below if you guys want to check it out. But I'd love to have you guys all a part of my YouTube family. Definitely hit that giant red subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family and watch my journey grow on here. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a blessed rest of your day.